Assalamu alaikum students, good morning. I am Miss Amreen and I will teach you computer. Okay, 6th class, let's start. Question number 1 is filling the blanks with the correct word. First is the combination of dash and dash is called the CPU. First is microprocessor and then RAM. Then second one is dash is the center of all activities and it is CPU. CPU is the center. Okay. Third one is CPU transform dash into dash, input into output. Fourth is after processing, final results are released on dash devices. It is output devices. First one is fifth one is dash is the primary storage device and it is RAM. Sixth one is normally a CD-ROM has the capacity of dash, which is more than the capacity of 450 floppy disk, 700 MB. Seventh is dash tape unit saves the data onto a small cassette tape, and the answer is magnetic tape. Okay, fill the color in the right circles. First one is true, second one is false, third one is true, fourth one is true, fifth one is true, sixth one is false, and seventh is true. Eighth is false, ninth is true, 10th is true, 11th is false, 12 is false, 13 is true, 14 is true, and 15 is false. Then the third question is, in each statement 3 answers are given, circle the correct one. Okay, the first is the combination of microprocessor and RAM is called CPU. No system unit, no primary storage. Second one is the microprocessor consists of 2 parts, 3 parts, or 4 parts, and the answer is 2 parts. Then third one is execution of the instructions take place inside the RAM, arithmetic logic unit, control unit, and the answer is control unit. Fourth is hard disk is a primary storage device, temporary storage device, or secondary storage device, and the answer is secondary storage device. Fifth one is CD-ROM is a dash, primary storage device, temporary storage device, or secondary storage device, and the answer is secondary storage device. Okay, 6th class, आपने इनको लर्न करना है और साथ राइट करना है अपने नोटबुक्स पे. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़. आपने इसको अपनी बुक्स पे नोट करना है और इसको लर्न भी करना है साथ साथ. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़.